Hello everyone, welcome back to International Challenge. Today we will provide you a challenge. In this challenge, you will guess the name of national food of different countries. We will tell you the name of country and you will have to guess the national food. Let's move to our first challenge. What is national food of America? It's hamburger. Hamburger is the national food of America. Our next challenge is, what is national food of Canada? And poutine is the national food of Canada. Our next challenge is, what is national food of UK? Fish and chips is the national food of UK. What is national food of France? Coke or wine? Basically, chicken is cooked in wine. What is national food of Germany? So, bratwurst is the national food of Germany. What is national food of Italy? Pizza margherita is the national food of Italy. What is national food of Spain? It's paella. Paella is the national food of Spain. What is national food of Australia? Meat pie. Meat pie is the national food of Australia. What is national food of Japan? Sushi is the national food of Japan. What is national food of Mexico? Tacos. Tacos is the national food of Mexico. What is national food of South Korea? Kimchi, fermented vegetables. Our next challenge is, what is national food of South Africa? It's bobotie. Bobotie is the national food of South Africa. What is national food of Turkey? Kebab. Kebab is the national food of Turkey. What is national food of Saudi Arabia? It's kabsa, rice dish with meat. What is national food of Egypt? It's kushari, mixed rice and lentils with pasta and tomato sauce. What is the national food of Ghana? It's fufu. Fufu is the national food of Ghana. What is national food of Greece? Moussaka, eggplant and potato based fish. What is national food of Sweden? It's köttbullar. Meatballs are national food of Sweden. What is national food of Iceland? It's Koramator. What is national food of Pakistan? It's biryani. Biryani is the national food of Pakistan. Thank you very much and stay with us for next challenge.